So you might be wondering how to exactly buy tickets safely in Viagogo. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know and you may want to understand. Now, you may have heard about Viagogo here, and it may be a talk right now due to people actually wanting to buy some tickets on certain events like certain concerts or even plays or shows out there. Well, this can be kind of complicated. So if you check their Trustpilot page, you'll notice that they mostly have 5-star reviews, but the number of 1-star reviews here is quite overwhelming as well. So if you scroll down a bit here, you notice that most of the reviews that they are getting right now from on their website is 1 star. So currently, if you scroll down a bit here, most of them are recent upon the creation of this video, and most of them are saying that they actually purchased 2 tickets. Like for example, this one, they purchased 2 tickets, and after an hour and a half to the phone, the tickets were only sent on the morning of the event. So there are some like delays on tickets being delivered to them, and there are some mention here that they were charged more on certain purchases, and some had some very bad experience. Some of their seats are actually um, added or they are seated elsewhere to in regarding that specific event or concert. So that's a kind of a letdown here. Now, with that said, if you really want to use the platform, it is highly recommended that you use a payment method that you can actually protect yourself. Like for example, credit cards. Now, usually credit cards would have the necessary protection just in case something went wrong. Like for example, if there are some unauthorized purchases in your account, you could basically dispute that with your bank. But then again, you may need to save some, in this case, some of your proof that something really did happen and that's not your request. Like for example, on checkout, just make sure that you did a screenshot of your purchase so that you have proof, and also save any emails. Do not delete emails, email notifications regarding the event itself, so that you have proof that you didn't authorize that specific charge. Now, that's how you usually protect yourself safe if you really want to purchase something from Viagogo. Now, this is not a video that shows you how to exactly do that. I'm just saying what people are saying or reviewing right now regarding the website. So proceed at your own risk, and also remember to protect yourself. Use payment methods that you could basically dispute or protect yourself. That's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.